It's hard for me to let go.
If you don't know who Mercy Gona is, I'm so sorry. I don't know if I'm pronouncing the name properly. My dear, I'm your senior sister because I've been following her since 2020. I think that was lockdown. Yes, when I started my hair growth journey and how to like improve my hair. That is when I've been following her. And you see, she takes her time in explaining how to go about things and how that is one thing I love about her. She takes her time to explain step by step on how to grow your hair with ingredients. And one thing I love about her, her channel is that she sticks to just maybe 2 to 3 things. She's not someone that moves from one routine to the other or from one ingredient to the other. She sticks with just one or two ingredients, and that is all. Now this is actually an old video, and can you see the length of her hair? She's not someone that she has a lot of ingredients on her channel. You can go out and check her channel. Her name is Mercy Gono. She sticks with 2 or 3 and it has worked perfectly for her. And two things I know that they are familiar with her channel. If you type aloe vera, a channel will pop up. If you type rice water, a channel will pop up. She actually has a brand on aloe vera oil, aloe vera oil, and this is what she has been using, and it works perfectly for her hair, for her hair regimen. And can you see the length of her hair? And guess what? This is actually an old video. Her hair is actually longer than this. I know that African hair. I don't know if she's an African, but you know that black women here, it's like their hair shrink a lot. So can you now, like, can you see, even though our hair shrinks a lot, I'm so sorry for my pronunciation, can you still see the length of our hair? And that is just it. So in today's video, I want you to like watch and listen attentively on how to use aloe vera, on how to use aloe vera in different style, in different ways, to detangle your hair, to grow your hair long and thick, if you get the logic. So please and please kindly watch to the end so that I can get all the teas on how to go about it. So thank you so much and keep on watching. So this kind of aloe vera is not accepted. Please and please, this kind of aloe vera is not accepted. Use this kind of aloe vera. Please and please use this kind of aloe vera. So please and please make sure you wash thoroughly, like wash it. And I'm not a fan of you cutting out the cactus. The cactus is the sharp end. You can actually blend everything together, no side effects actually. Just don't make sure it is actually very very clean, like it is very very clean. Remove every dirt, and if you are seeing any yellowish stuff, please remove it. And also blend it so well. Blend it. Use blend it so well, like your smoothie. The way you blend your smoothie, that is the way you blend it. And also you might add you might add a little bit of water, but please don't add too much water. Aloe vera has water already, and that is just it. Now the next thing is to get a pan. Now a pan get a pan and add any oil of your choice. Now you can use any oil. You can use olive oil, you can use coconut oil, you can use avocado oil, you can use olive oil. Just get any oil of your choice, and please, it is advisable for you to use non-stick pan. So if you don't have a non-stick pan, you have to be there. You have to be stirring it always. Even though you are using a non-stick pan, you have to be there. But please, if you are not using a non-stick pan, that means you have to do more work. If you get the logic, you have to do more work. You have to be there and keep on stirring and stirring, because you don't want it to get burnt. You don't want to lose the nutrients in heat. So you have to be there. So after you add the what's it called, the oil inside a pan, make sure you heat it up first. Like just heat it up and pour your aloe vera. Now, if you don't have this color, that means, my dear, you're doing it wrongly. Shey you get. So can you see the difference between what you blended and the results you are expected to have? And that is just it. So the next process is to sieve. Just get your scarf. If you don't have a scarf, get your, of course, you should have a scarf or even your clothes, and just sieve the filtrate from the residue. The filtrate is your oil. Now the residue is the aloe vera shaft. You don't need that anymore. And this is how you get your aloe vera oil. Now just apply it on your hair probably every day or every 2 days, and you are good to go. Yes, aloe vera water is actually very, very good for your hair. Sometimes you don't have to be doing all this Ayurvedic spray, Ayurvedic oil, and or you just need something very subtle and gentle. And this is what we are preparing today. Now, water is actually very, very good to hydrate your hair. If you are following me on this channel and you're not hydrating your hair as you ought to, Jesus, hey, please hydrate your hair, moisturize your hair, please and please moisturize it so that your hair will not be brittle, will not dry, will not break. When your hair is so dry, it will start what? It will start breaking. Do you understand? Do you get it? Sure, you understand. So another wonderful ingredient that serves as a moisturizer is aloe vera. Now I'm using the one that they've made already. Sure, you get, like, they've made it already. So this is how it is. If you have the plant, you can actually go with the plant. Just remove the green parts of it, and you just need the inside of the aloe vera, and that is just it. So this one is actually easy. You don't have to be doing all of that cutting and cutting out. You have to mix it properly so that it can mix. It will definitely mix. It's not something that will settle, that you use, that will not settle at the back or something. It will actually mix together. Just shake it. Now another thing we are going to be adding is air conditioner. Now air conditioner is very, very good to moisturize your hair. I'm using the Mega Growth air conditioner. You can use any hair conditioner of your choice. That is just it. This combo will help you to moisturize your hair. Now this this Mega Growth hair conditioner is water based, so my dear, when you use it, it will actually moisturize your hair properly. You're trying to moisturize it. Sometimes you don't need oils, too much oils. Oil is very necessary, it's good for the hair, but sometimes what you just need is something very, very subtle and soft. Sure, you understand? And that is just it. So please, sometimes use this actually. And after this, I shook it. Yes, just shake after adding it. So shake and shake and shake so that everything can all mix all together. Do you understand? Sure, you understand that I should come again. So please make sure you shake very, very well. Yes, like shake it very, 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 very well. So can you see the way I'm shaking? I'm checking if everything has like mixed all together. Do you understand? So please, if you not subscribe to my channel, this is me saying that please kindly subscribe. And if you don't know, I sell spraying bottle, I sell applicator bottle. Yes, I sell them. You can just order me, and I'm right here. Thank you so much for watching, and please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, this is me saying that please kindly subscribe to my channel. And if you have any question, kindly drop in the comment section. Thank you so much, and bye for now.